Morning, everybody. We're out here to be driving some cattle today for a friend. Got Wyatt. How we doing today, buddy?
Good.
Good. Got Clyde. Everybody, what we're doing?
Yep, we're running cattle. About 3.5 miles. My best guess, but let's get to work.
Yeah, we're all bundled up, but we're gonna be driving about 75, 80 head. About 4 miles. Onto some new fresh stocks to finish out the winter before they start calving. This is for a neighbor of mine and a good friend, so keep coming along and we'll get these cattle driven. Here we are, we're just getting them out on the road. They're ready to move. These girls are on the run. They're ready to go to new stocks. Hi, Kamamas. At this rate, we'll get them over there real quick. These little girls got some fire in them today. They are moving. Come on, girls. Up. Up. Hike, mamas. Up. 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 Hike, 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 hike. Come on, girls. Come on, girlies. Come on, girlies. What do you think, buddy?
I think to go home and warm up.
We don't got too much further to go, buddy.
Woo!
About halfway there. Of course, I always find distractions. These little girls are moving really, really good. Up. Come on, dollies. Well, we only got 1 more mile to go. They're moving right along pretty good, aren't they, buddy?
Yep. I'm ready to get this done and
We can go get our cows caught.
yeah.
Yeah, we'll warm up first, though. Buddy, we are just about there. Right up there where the stop sign is. What do you think about driving these cattle 4 miles?
I think it's fun. It was a lot of adventure and see you in the next video.
They moved pretty good, didn't they?
Yep. Make sure to like, subscribe,
Yeah.
and share it with your family.
Yep, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it. And we'll keep going and making these videos and showing how we do things out here in the high plains of northwest Kansas. Thanks, everybody.